Hello, Justin. As we spoke this morning, this is the machine fire up right now. I home it out. The machine is running good. The table is working back and forth. This is the wheel. The spindle is on right now. I want to open the cover so you can see it. Everything is working fine. I want to move up the spindle speed right now. It's higher, lower. It's not making any noise. I'm gonna turn on the rotary dresser so you can see it working fine also. The machine is working fine. It's working good. So here is the monitor program. It has programs in it. I don't know what they're for, but we have multiple programs in there. Magnet is on. Everything looks like it's working fine. The magnet is clamping fine. So here's the video. This is the machine. No issues at all.